Hi guys, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a little post-vacation haul, and I am sorry in advance for my voice. I apparently had an amazing time. I really did have an amazing time, and it was a week-long trip to LA, and I really lived my best life there. So I am coming back to show you some of the items that I was able to haul, and I did sneak out just for a morning to Frank Garcia's studio in Upland, California, and I was super fortunate enough to meet the most loveliest crafty gals. I met Tony, who's Craft Purge. I met Creating for Fun, who's Lori, and Christina, who's KG Crafts, and these are the loveliest gals you can meet. I wish I could have met more ladies in person, but my trip was a little bit chaotic and fun. So I want to show you what I picked up, and let's start off with Daiso. I didn't get to go to a really exciting Daiso. We have a Daiso in New York, but it's sometimes a little bit, I don't know, doesn't always have the best stuff. But I did pick up these little slider bags, and they are screaming Valentine's Day for me. So I'm super excited. I'm into you, baby. Hug me. Got me giggling. So I got that. I also picked up 2 of these little container boxes, and I've seen some people haul this before. So they're kind of like the 4-pocket. So there was only 2, so I only picked up the 2 that they had there. So I'm so excited about that. I also picked up some Christmas bags because I don't really have a lot of Christmas bags, and these were so dang cute. So this is like a little cinch Santa Claus face, and they come with little Christmas tree tags, which I thought were adorable. These are so perfect. Any like pastel, little pastel numbers. They're so cute. Wishing you joy. Got these little minty bags, and they have peppermint all over it, and it says warm winter wishes. And then they have the pink version as well, so I had to get both. I feel like they know crafters because like they got the whole pastel versions. And then I got the big Santa Claus bag, and they come in 2. So these were really fun finds. And then I'm going to show you my Frank Garcia haul. I didn't really buy much. To be honest, I was super flustered in the store. I'm sure it's kind of the same for a lot of people, that it's been a huge bucket list item for me to go to his studio. And once I found out that I was going to go to LA, I was like, oh, I really want to go. And it's kind of cheesy, you guys, but I kind of got a little bit nervous meeting Frank in person. And if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen some of the pictures of my visit there, the girls and Frank as well. I'll include some snippets of some of the beautiful handmade items in his studio. The studio is even more beautiful in person, and I've never been to a store like that before, only because New York doesn't have stores like that. But his store was so well stocked. I was really overwhelmed with so much of the beautiful stuff. So I could only focus on certain items to buy. The girls were really helpful in my hauling, and yeah, I did pick up some fun things, and I'm excited to show you what I got. I honestly wish I could kind of replay all of the I don't know, just walking through the store. Here's the beautiful business cards. The employees are really friendly. They're so nice. It was beautifully decorated for Christmas. It is a pink lover's dream to be in that studio, and it was really an honor to just kind of like step into the store. I did pick up these little itty bitty flowers. I don't know, I'm just a sucker. I have so many flowers, you guys, but these were just calling to me. They're so dang cute. These were $2.99, mini roses. And then there was a little sale section, so I did pick this up, chunky brads, and these were super cute. These were on sale as well. I think this was half off. And I seen everyone use this Halloween, so I was like, it's a Bigs die for 10 bucks. Why not? I also picked up small pieces of the Simple Stories Feeling Frosty collection. Tony really didn't have to sell it. It was just like so cute, and I had to pick up some of the pieces. I don't really get to work with this kind of like snow and cocoa. I'm usually a Prima girl when it comes to Christmas. I love that shabby chic for Christmas season, but I don't know, this collection kind of was calling to me, so I did pick up the ephemera. I picked up the puffy stickers, which were so dang cute, and then I picked up the, what is this, the 6x8 pad. Yep. And I haven't worked with a Simple Stories collection in a little bit, but Tony had showed me in a project, and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to pick up some of the pieces. I was already having a hard time figuring out what to buy. So when she showed me a project that she had created, I was like, you know what? I'm sold. I'm easy. I just needed some kind of direction because I really was overwhelmed. It was overwhelming to buy things and feel, I don't know, it's so much to soak up. This is a darling collection. She was really spot on about this. It is giving me very much snow and cocoa vibes. I mean, look at that paper. That is literally snow and cocoa, with some hints of purple, which you don't get to see as much. It's just a slight hint. So I thought this was like a fun collection that you can totally just make some small projects with, and I thought it was something to buy. I also picked up this one. There was this Cocoa Vanilla Studio. I don't really know this one. I think is in Australia. Yeah, it's an Australian brand. And these puffies were so dang cute. I love them. The little animals, and just, I thought it was so cute. I had to buy them. And then I also picked up this Laura by Laura little ornament tags. I'm just a sucker for tags. And then this little layering piece was like the selling point for me. Like, what? But I love the shapes. I loved it, and I had to buy it. So I'm super excited to have this in my stash and hopefully get creating. I have not been crafting, you guys. I am so guilty of just kind of prepping for the holidays and this trip. So I need to get cracking over here. So I also got this box from Rhoda, who's Nifty Crafty Me, and I'll leave links down below. I was supposed to meet her at a concert. I went to the BTS concert, and fortunately I was unable to meet her in person, but I got Happy Mail from her. So she has a wonderful shop. Oh, here's her card. See, she even included this little dangle. So dang cute. I love it. Nifty Crafty Me. Yep. And Rhoda is just absolutely so sweet. I picked up one of her kits, and I'm so excited because her kits go so fast, and I never really get an opportunity to buy anything. I actually get like anxiety buying from like those kind of drops because everything goes so fast. Anyways, so I was really happy to snag some of her goodies. So we have these felt back snowflakes, and they're so pretty. Look at the sparkle on them. So here's the backing. It's felt backing. This one is a gold number with pink felt backing. Adorable. And I love that it comes in different colors. You got this blue with like kind of like a hollow-ish glitter on it. Here's the back. You get two of the pinks, which I'm loving. So cute. Got some snowflake charms. Some flat back snowflakes. White snowflake charms. These are cute. Some hollow blue charms. White snowflakes. Some white, like with a little bling inside. These are really pretty. And then these are some, oh, these are beads. They're snowflake beads. How cute are these? Again, such a fun, well-curated kit. And she's done all the hard work for me. Honestly, we can all shop on AliExpress, but they've put thought to this. So it's kind of nice to get a completed kit. and, you know, kind of jumpstart your little stash. So I also picked up another kit. So I'm going to show you what I got here. It is these adorable little pink reindeers. So cute with the little Rudolph nose. Adorable. I've got these pastel snow globe charms. Got these little blue houses. Adorable. Some more of those snowflake beads. These are so cute. They are like these polka dot mint beads. I love the little texture on them. They're adorable. Ooh, I love these. These are some kind of like eraser polymer clay, I guess, with the snowman inside, and they have a hole on the top and the bottom, so it's a bead. These little pink resin cabochons of the hat. I love these. I did order them in Ali, and again, I'm waiting for them. So instead I have them in my hand. These are some really cute Nordic style snowflake stars. Got these pink candy charms. This adorable little mix. So pretty. Oh, I love these. These are some kind of, they're not quite pink, but they are so cute. Ooh, another little pastel mix. I love this one. So cute. Oh, look how cute these are. These are some flat back cabochons and Christmas tree cookies. Sugar cookies are so cute. Here is some pink Christmas tree buttons. Here is some stocking charms with like they're oozing out presents and stuff. And you got some pink and white polka dot beads. And that is it, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy with everything that I've hauled. I'm gonna insert some clips of Frank's studio, so hang on if you are interested in watching. Again, I will be back with some projects because a girl needs to get crafty for this Christmas holiday. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.